I think in a traditional environment, you could say, oh, well, I have an MES system. It links up to ERP. I'm constantly tracking, and that way I know when things are going to be ready, and I'll call them up. That's fine. I think that was fine 10 years ago. It's what drove that philosophy. If I'm thinking about cell therapy, we're constantly trying to figure out how to shorten needle-to-needle time, right? How do I shorten that? I need to make sure that every handshake along the way is perfectly synced so that as soon as a sample is taken from the clinic, it ends up into the manufacturing floor. It goes to the manufacturing process and is immediately shipped back to the clinic. We're talking about days here, potentially life-saving. And the biggest challenge, working with one of our customers, it was incredible to think about this. There's the biggest challenge of being able to monitor that and track that is around the growth rate of the sample cells. If you're in cell therapy, you're reliant on the growth characteristics of the sample of the cells that are taken from the patient. And these patients are normally in poor, to put it mildly, in poor health. Stage 4 cancer, this is their last resort. This really is, it's mission critical for our customers or for our patients and how we're going to impact things. How do I tie that growth rate cycle to when trucks are showing up? Or how I coordinate and schedule my samples and lab work so that when I get to the end of a growth cycle, they're ready to start doing tests. And even more so, is there a way to create prediction from the shop floor before it even gets there? Can I get patient information? Well, obviously making sure that the HIPAA rights are preserved, but can I get information about that? Can I feed that into my systems? This doesn't come from some monolith. These data sources don't come from one place. They come from multiple. And this is a single user story about where we're going to be going, about what things are. I can't predict what those are by giving you a perfect, look at this application, this is going to solve all your problems. I need a way of creating a story with my end users.